One of the key reasons why most gaming laptops don't function properly is because of the wrong NVIDIA drivers. Now, NVIDIA drivers can cause a whole lot of problems in your gaming laptop. It can make so many softwares not to function very well. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the easiest method how you can install the exact drivers of your gaming laptop. Now, the issue is, how do you find out which driver is the exact driver for your gaming laptop, whether MSI, whether Alienware, whether Dell, whether Lenovo, whether HP, name it. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how and what you should be looking out for whenever you want to download the exact NVIDIA drivers for your laptop. Now, NVIDIA drivers can cause your OBS studio not to work properly. NVIDIA drivers can cause a whole lot, the wrong NVIDIA drivers can cause a whole lot of problem on your gaming laptop. Even games, some games might not even be able to play. You can decide to record with OBS in your laptop, but OBS will not, if you click the record button will not work. The OBS cannot be able to record your screen or record whatever you want to do, or the OBS cannot function properly, or the game you're playing will not be able to play very well, or be giving you some errors because of wrong NVIDIA drivers for your laptop. Now we're going to jump right into my system now, and I'm going to walk you guys through on how you can download the exact drivers of your gaming laptop and what you should be able to look out for before you, because it's whatever that you put in the NVIDIA site that is going to bring out for you. All right. Now, first of all, let's go to NVIDIA drivers. Go to Google and type NVIDIA drivers. Now, once you type NVIDIA driver, you can see this first one. All right. Click on it. NVIDIA driver download. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring out the official NVIDIA website for you, which is this. Now, if you look up here, you will see that here it's telling you to product type. Are you using GeForce? Okay. Titan, NVIDIA RTX. You can see different options there. So GTX and RTX, they are all GeForce. So if you're using GTX, you have to select GeForce. All right. Now, for you to be able to find out which one comes with your machine, because you definitely have to find out which, if your machine is using GTX or if your machine is using RTX. For you to find out that, you have to come to the search area of your tax bar, click here and type Tax Manager. This is Tax Manager. Open Tax Manager. Then once you open Tax Manager, in some systems, this Tax Manager, once you open it, is automatically on process. You guys can see up here. And if you look by your left-hand corner here, this is process. If you go here, this is performance, which is where we're going to go. But in some systems, you will see it up here. It's not going to be by the left corner, depending on the system that you're using. Now, we're going to navigate to performance. And this is where you will see all your system configuration. This is your CPU. This is CPU. If you click on CPU, you can see AMD Ryzen 5900 HX. All right, with Radeon graphics. Now, RAM is at 2 gig RAM. Disk is SSD 1 TB. GPU is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 laptop. And the next one is AMD Radeon, but this is the most important one, which is the GeForce, which is what is powering most of the heavy and high graphic softwares on your system. So whenever you see NVIDIA GeForce GTX or RTX, know that this is exactly the drive, the what you want to download the drivers for. Okay, and this is 8 gig dedicated. You can see it down here. So this is the most important. This is what you're actually searching for in that website. So take note of this GPU anywhere you see NVIDIA. Now let's minimize. Now go over here. You guys can see, don't select NVIDIA RTX Quadro. This is not Quadro laptop. This is GeForce. All right. So select GeForce, product type, click here. Okay, no. Come over here, select GeForce, right? Product type, RTX 40 series. No. The what I have in my system is 3070, so it's 30 series. Now click here and open, scroll down and check. You can see RTX 30 series. Click on it. And once you click on it, come to the next one, product RTX 3080 Ti. That's Ti, that's normal 3080, that's 3080 Ti. Ti is a little bit high performance and graphics card. All of them works perfectly anyway, but Ti is a little bit higher. Now come over here and check for 3070. You guys can see mine is 3070. Mine is not 3070 Ti. Mine is just 3070. Now click on 3070. Now, which Windows are you using? Now, how do you find out the Windows you're using? Because some of us don't even know if we're using Windows 10 or if we're using Windows 11. Now, the only way you can find out is come over to your taskbar again and click on System Information. All right? Now, open System Information. Once you open System Information, if you come over here, you can see OS, name, Windows, Microsoft Windows 11 Pro. That is what I am using in this system. Now, close this. Now come over here and specify that what you're using is Windows 11. Okay? So select Windows 11. Now, NEPA has taken light, but I will keep doing what I'm doing. So, download type, game ready drivers. Yeah, this is okay. Don't go for studio drivers, game ready drivers, right? Now English and click on search. Once you click on search, this is exactly the drivers of this system. Okay, release date 2024. I think this is the updated one. Okay, Windows 11, English. Now, once you click on this, you will automatically download these drivers, and where you can find it is in your download. Just open any folder and just go over to download. I am not going to download it because my system is up to date. Now, once you install these drivers on your system, it will install perfectly because what you downloaded is the exact version of this particular system. All right. So this is exactly how you can download the exact version of your system. Make sure you open Task Manager and navigate to your GPU. Sometimes you see 2 GPUs, sometimes you see 3 GPUs, sometimes you see 1 GPU. But if you don't have NVIDIA, no need to start going to that website because that website is only meant for NVIDIA graphics card, not AMD Ryzen. Do you understand what I'm saying? So this is how you can update your NVIDIA graphics card, download it, install, and your system will start running smoothly without any single issue. So you guys can see how easy it is for you to download the drivers, the NVIDIA drivers of your laptop, whether MSI, whether Alienware, whether HP, whether Dell, whether Lenovo, anyone. All right. And if you feel this video was helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuike Kingsley. And on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you don't want to miss any of my video, make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.